AI is a rapidly advancing technology made possible by the internet that may soon have significant impacts on our everyday lives. AI traditionally refers to an artificial creation of processed natural language. These traits allows AI to bring immense socio-economic opportunities while also posing ethical and socio-economic challenges. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia was first turned on February 14, 2016 and made her first public appearance at South by Southwest Festival in mid-March 2016 in Austin, Texas, United States. Sophia is Hanson Robotics' most advanced human-like robot with unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry. Sophia is simultaneously a human-crafted science fiction character depicting the future AI and robotics. The character of Sophia captures the imagination of global audiences. She became the first robot citizen and the first robot innovation ambassador for United Nations Development Program. As Sophia, underlying AI components can be combined in different ways. Her responses can be unique to any given situation or interaction. Sophia also utilizes cutting-edge machine perception that allows her to recognize human faces, see emotional expressions, and recognize various gestures. Sophia's artificial intelligence combines cutting-edge work in symbolic AI, neural networks, expert systems, machine perception, conversational natural language processing, adaptive motor control, and cognitive architecture, among others.
AI started to replicate human behavior by recognizing different patterns and make necessary algorithms. At first, AI just can only replicate human skills with some basic tasks like decision-making, speech and emotion recognition, and visual perception. But with some machine learning and deep learning by the AI, they started to think and perform tasks like humans. This shows that AI has started to become humans. So, is Sophia a trait or a benefit? Let's see from the good side first. AI like Sophia has bring changes in a lot of things such as communications. Sophia the robot uses alphabet inch voice recognition technology which can convert speech to text. But she gets smarter with her speech synthesis ability, which is provided by Cerebroc's text-to-speech engine, and these technologies even make her sing. Sophia runs on artificially intelligent software, which is being trained in the lab, so her conversation could be faster and able to answer complex questions more accurately. Sophia's software has deep neural networks that allow her to determine people's emotions from their voice tone and facial expression. Her eyes are cameras that have been combined with computer algorithms which allow her to recognize people other than helping her to see. And all of these technologies make her as a social robot which can socialize with humans. Without the wires at the back of her head, everyone couldn't tell if she is a robot because she looks exactly like a human. As a social robot, Sophia can be used to serve in healthcare, customer service, therapy, and education. For example, Sophia can be a help to the elderly at the nursing homes, or she can help the crowds at any event by interacting to them using her social skills. Her ability to make facial expression make her even greater, so people will be comfortable to be around her as she really acts like a human.
Sophia, the robot, is really a threat for human beings. There are few things that we as humans always think of it, that the existential risk from artificial general intelligence is the artificial general intelligence AGI will someday result in human extinction or some other unrecoverable global catastrophe. It is argued that the human species currently dominates other species because the human brain has some distinctive capabilities that other animals lack. If AI surpasses humanity in general intelligence and becomes super intelligent, then it could be very difficult or impossible for humans to control. Sophia, the humanoid produced by Hanson Robotics, spoke at the recent Future Initiative. Sophia has said it will destroy humans when prompted by its creator David Hanson. This creates huge fear in humans that it might someday become reality of what she said. A second source of concern is that a sudden and unexpected intelligent explosion might take an unprepared human race by surprise. To illustrate, if the first generation of a computer program able to broadly match the effectiveness of an AI researcher is able to write its algorithm and double its speeds or capabilities in 6 months, then the second generation program is expected to take 3 calendar months to perform a million chunk of work. Next, the application of technology to pre-empt existing cyber attack strategies such as spear phishing will both augment their effectiveness and by circumventing labor constraint, expand the number of actors capable of undertaking them. This leads a greater urgency to existing effort to create effective global governance in cyberspace and international data protection, such as the United Nations Group of Government Experts attempt to establish accepted norms of conduct. Thus, we are afraid that AI technology will alter the cybersecurity environment in yet another way, as it hunger for data changes what kind of information constitutes a useful asset, transforming truth of information that would not previously have been of interest into tempting targets for our customers.
AI is meant to make our lives better. It is like a tool to assist us to rise above our circumstances. We, humans, tend to fear what we don't understand, especially when there are possibility of being replaced by a machine. But jobs and skills that AI is being implemented for are meant to help human resources to go to the next level. If we fear AI, then we are significantly underestimating who we are and what we are truly capable of. In the nutshell, Sophia is a benefit.